Oh no. Let's create this presentation. Let's add files from Workspace. Add this and this. All set. All right, we are getting somewhere. Automatic citations? Love this. Let's tailor it to Mark. Maybe a different layout for this slide? This one. And this graph. Much better. Let's change this image. Much better. Oh, there's speaker notes? This is awesome! Shoot, I need this in a different template. Phew! That saved the day. And that's a wrap.